In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download the game Sonic X Shadow Generations. So Sonic X Shadow Generations is a fan creation that combines Sonic X and Sonic Generations. It features time travel uniting classic and modern Sonic and Shadow as they join forces to confront a common adversary. So in order to download this game, first of all you're going to open any browser in your system and then just search into the search box for Steam. After that, you should be able to see here welcome to Steam link at the top of this list. So you're just going to click on that. After that, you should be redirected to the Steam website. And if you see at the right side of your screen, you will be able to see here this search box. So you're going to type in here the name of your game and then hit enter. After that, you should be able to see here your game Sonic X Shadow Generation released on 25th of October. So you're going to click on that. Then you're going to be redirected to the game page. In here, you're going to scroll down until you find this option add to cart. As you can see here that you have different editions of this game. So you're going to click on add to cart on the edition which you want to buy. And then just click on view my cart. After that, as you can see here, this is all of the amount which you will be paying for this game, which is $49.99 in my case. So just click on continue to payment. And then if you're not already logged in into your Steam account, they're going to ask you for your login credentials. So you're just going to enter them and then click on sign in. Then you're going to enter here the OTP which they have sent to your email. For this, just open another tab, open your email in it, and then just copy the code from there and paste in over here. After that, you should be logged in into your Steam account. In here, if you see, you have different payment methods from which you can pay for this game. So you can choose from any of these payment methods, enter all of your payment information over here, scroll down and then click on continue. Once you click on continue, the game will be bought and added to your library. And from there, you can just play your game.